Hey guys, let's go celebrate my birthday. So hubby decided to take me on a little overnight weekend getaway for my birthday. And so here we are driving. Yeah, we're here to celebrate my 40th birthday. Yes, I said it, my 40th. Yes, I'm old girl. Anywho, here we are heading to the hotel. Well, the hotel that we thought we were supposed to go. This was not our place, girls. They're about to let us know that this little bush ass place is not for you. So let's go somewhere else. So anywho, we finally come out to the people in place and we start head on to find out exactly where we need to be going. It was actually like 2 minutes away. So anywho, here we are heading into this is the little lobby area. And it was not so bad here. It looks okay until we freaking head into the room. So here we are heading to the room and we're about to enter the room. And when I tell you that this was literally so basic, it was so freaking basic. The amount of money that my hubby spent, it should not be this basic. But anywho, I was here with him, so that's all that matters. Here I am. Look at me. Hey girl, so cute. Look at me, all ready for dinner. This is what 40 looks like. Hello. So anywho, let's go ahead for dinner. We were heading to this restaurant called Hell's Kitchen. You know it, Gordon Ramsay kitchen or restaurant, but we were expecting so much. Anyway, let's wait until we reach there. But here's my hubby. Look how cute he's looking. He's so handsome. So here we are, taking some pictures. We found some beautiful people that wanted to take our picture, telling us that we look so cute together. They found out that they looked at my bag. They're like, I liked your bag, and realized that it matched my shoes. And they were like, hey, do that. So I did. We were having so much fun. Anyhow, this girl decided to sing for me, and her voice was so beautiful. So listen up to her. Alright, so we finally found Hell's Kitchen, and outside was so beautiful. Aesthetics was so nice. If only the food was like that. Anyhow, so reached there. So yeah, we're here and we're taking some pictures again. Those people are still doing the same thing, and here we are taking pictures with him. So we're inside here, we're reviewing Gordon Ramsay's place. Everything looked nice, just like the TV and still like the show we watch. Yeah, but again, the food never tastes so good. Anywho, we're here. They're recording me and I'm recording them. Yeah, so here is how inside is looking. Let's speed this all up. You heard I look beautiful as usual. Oh my god. Look